Well, hello there and welcome to this Transformation.ai free trial tutorial. My name is Greg Marlin. I'm the founder and CEO of Transformation.ai. That's me up here and me down here in the video. So when you log in, you might see this dashboard, and right now it's empty except for it's got some touch points. So the first thing you want to do is start working with your touch points. If you've already worked with customer journey mapping in sort of the physical world, you can gather up those touch points and start to bring them here. But sometimes the easiest way to work with touch points is actually to import a few. These are some standard ones that are very general. So you could import a touch point by clicking on import touch point from toolbox, and you'll see these different touch points that are very much templates. So confirmation points, mobile touch point. So all I have to do is just click on import, and it shows me some information on this. So I'll just create, and there it's added it to my touch point inventory. I could do another import touch point, and let's say I want to import a phone touch point. Same process. It's going to come in and show me a little bit about it. I can make changes here, obviously, for things that I want to create. Now you just start to create those. Now let's say obviously you don't want to have a generic touch point. Maybe this you want to create a mobile app and you want to use this icon and have this as a basis. Then you just create a new touch point, select mobile as your template, and then put in, let's say, mobile app, some description here, select your customer journey stage. You can change this, by the way, but I'll select adoption, for instance, and I'll connect it to phone touch point, which is the other one I created there. So I create that. Now that creates connections at a global level between these different touch points. Now, once you've got your touch points, then you want to start mapping them. And what you want to do is go to the map builder, and you just simply drag things from your touch point inventory onto your map. And if they have those connections we talked about, it'll automatically snap. And if they don't, when you drag on here, it won't snap. So that kind of gives you the sense of how you build a map at an aesthetic level. Now I want to save this, so it'll ask me to give this journey map a name, and I'm going to call it my trial video map, some description here. And what I then do is I choose whether I want to allow others to see this map or not. By default it's checked so other people in your account can see it, and I click save, and now I've created the map. Let's say I want to import. We have some templates as well for maps. So let me come over to the map library. You see the one I just created is here. I can rename that. I can do other things like clone this from the map dialog. But I'm actually going to come in here to global, and I'm going to have a look here at this very small sort of template for a small business loan application journey. And let's say I want to clone that into my account. I just clone that. I'll give it a new name, my cloned journey map, some description here. And I'll allow others to see and edit, and I'll save that. And it takes me to the actual sort of map builder interface where I can then work with it. You see I've got my clone journey map. That's not there's a lot more that you can do with the system. So at every touch point within a journey, I can add a lot of details. I can have conversations. I can create surveys and integrate them. I can record version history, and of course all that becomes much more. There's a lot more features once I get into pulling in my integrations, like SurveyMonkey, like Google Analytics, Salesforce.com, etc. And then working with a feedback loop, you can also very easily add new managers to your account. but we'll get on into that all when in subsequent videos. If you can get to the point where you have created some touch points or imported them, come over to a map builder and created a map, and then see that in your map library, and then be able to do something with those touch points, you'll already have come a long way with the system. So good luck with that, and if you have any questions at all, please just come down here. You can type and ask us any question, and we'll typically reply while you're still working in the system. Hope this was helpful, and look forward to talking to you all soon.